Hey, Kyle Sulerud here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically monitor your landing page links. So if they ever break down, you don't end up wasting a bunch of money on your YouTube campaign. Now, this is the 13th video of 14 in a series where I'm showing you how to audit and improve your YouTube ads campaigns. Make sure to download my guide. There's a link in the description that'll take you through all of the topics that I've been covering in these videos. Today then, I just want to talk about landing pages and specifically about how to, like I said in the intro, how to make sure if a landing page goes down, for whatever reason, it obviously happens, we don't want to keep pumping traffic to that page. We want to be notified when that happens so we can turn our campaigns off until the landing page is fixed. So first, we want to know where we are actually sending traffic. You should know this, but it's a good time to double check because I've seen accounts where traffic was going to the wrong page. So going to landing pages, you can then see where the traffic in your account is going. Now, the exception to this is if you are using YouTube ads site link extensions, Google will actually not report those landing pages here. Okay, so you'll want to check your ad extensions too and see if these are going to any different pages. Because again, YouTube is not going to report that here. Instead, they're going to report whatever the landing page is for the main link in your YouTube ad. Okay, so we have our landing pages. We know where we're sending all of the traffic. In order to monitor this automatically, there are a number of tools I'm sure you can use. I'll just show you the one that I use, which is Uptime Robot. It's a free check every 5 minutes. So what you do is you just enter these web addresses into Uptime Robot, and you create an account with your email. Every 5 minutes then, Uptime Robot will check these landing pages. If one of them goes down for any reason, you will get an email immediately. Okay, there's paid plans where you could actually have it checked even more frequently, but every 5 minutes is pretty good. So one of these pages goes down, you get an email. You can take action then right away, pause the campaign so you're not sending traffic to a broken landing page. Google eventually will stop an ad if it's going to a non-working landing page, but that might take days or even longer. You want to be able to stop that traffic yourself right away. So I recommend setting up these alerts so you can take immediate action, especially if you are working with clients. You can look like the hero by being the first person to let them know that their website is down and they need to do something about it. The other thing that happens with Uptime Robot is it'll keep checking the site. So if it goes back up, it'll send you another email. So hopefully you're not checking your email every 5 minutes. If you go in, you might see a down alert, but then a few minutes later, the website is back up. So that's the other nice thing. Just because you get an alert that the website is down doesn't mean you always have to go check it right away, because it may be back up again shortly, and you can see that in your email alerts also. So hopefully that is helpful. If you take that advice and if your website ever goes down, this will definitely be helpful to you. So don't overlook this. If you haven't downloaded my campaign audit guide yet, you should do that now. Get the link in the description where I walk you through all of these steps to optimize and improve and audit your YouTube ad campaigns. My name, again, is Kyle Sulerud, and I'll see you in the next video.